Hello everyone, welcome back to new video. Today we are going to talk about how you can change the port of the web server, and in the last previous video we have talked about how you can launch a web server and going into the cd slash var slash www slash html folder, and there we are creating files and launching a web server. So generally the web server works on port number 80, but today we are going to see like how you can change a port number and how from that particular port number you can access it, and how we can launch on that multiple port numbers. Okay, so let's start the video with quick practical demo. So here we have our server. I have already launched my server service running over here, instance running over here. Same you can do from your virtual box, or I'm using Amazon Linux as a machine. You can use any Linux machine. Okay, so I'm in the root login. Let me quickly. Okay, so our service, our web server is already running, so you can just go and just quickly check this, just copy this IP and just paste by index.html. So as you hit enter, you will get your our, like, this is the web page which I have created. Okay, so now what we are going to see right now, we it's generally working out right now on the port number 80, but now I want they should work on port number 81. So how you can check which port number it's working? So this is netset -tnlp. There is a command, so you can see on the port number 80 our HTTPD service is running. HTTPD service is running. Now I want to check. So there is a configuration file for HTTPD server. So the configurations file generally start here is like you have to go to the cd etc slash HTTPD, and that in the configuration folder, when you do ls, you get a httpd.conf file. This is the particular folder where you find the HTTPD configuration file. So just quickly open that HTTPD configuration file, and when you go up, you will find this port number. Okay, this is right now working on the port number 80, but let me change to port number 82. I just want to work on the port number 82. Just save and go outside and just quickly reload your HTTPD service. HTTPD service, my service has been reloaded. Now let's quickly check with -tnlp. So see, before it was running on port number 80, and we have changed it to port number 82. So what to do? Just type here port number 82. Okay, so same as it is comes up. Okay, so let me quickly show you from the CMD. It will be quite easy for you to understand the thing. Okay, so what we are going, we are just doing curl. Let me quickly copy and let me quickly paste over it. So as you hit enter, you get the whole content what we have in on the port number 82. Same if you try on the port number 80, it will not work. Okay, it why this is not working? Failed to reach port number, because our web server, HTTPD web server, before it was running on port number 80, but we have changed to run on the port number 82. So like this, you can change on whatever port you want and whatever things you want. So our we have don't forget to reload our HTTPD server. So after reloading, making the changes, web server is now working on the port number 82. Okay, so now what's the things commits? Let's make more changes in our config file, and let's make to port number 70,000 or 80,000. Okay, so let's see it works or not. Okay, we have make the port number 80,000, and let's quickly reload our HTTPD server. So why it have got systemctl fail? Because let's quickly check with this has gone fail. Let's check why the command to check, and this is I'm just showing command to check if the service fails, like journal ctl hyphen xeu http dot service. Okay, so you get to know over here like what is the things is stopping, and what we have, why the things are not working on port number 80,000. So there are certain limits, there are certain parts where there are certain parts. There's a invalid address or the port. Okay, this port is invalid. 80,000 is invalid. That's why they have given this error like invalid post. Okay, so that's why it is not work. So whenever you are providing a conf file, this HTTP conf file, you have to give a proper port number, and you can't give anything. You can let's try to give 22 as a port number. Okay, so WQ, and just quickly reload the service. 22 is it will also not work because it is already bounded with the one of the service. Okay, this 22 is already bounded with one of the service. That's why our this thing will not work. So you can't use the same port running and bounded with another service running over here. That's why it gets failed. You always have to give a unique port numbers where you can run your services. Okay, so let's give port number 80, let's give port number 81, and let's give port number suppose 8080. Okay, our Jenkins is running, so let's give port number 82. So we have given multiple ports. Okay, so when you check with just reload quickly, the HTTP service is not active, so let's quickly active systemctl start HTTPD. Okay, our service has been started, the service has been reloaded, and when you quickly check with netset happen TNLP, it shows all the running port. So we have defined here 3 ports running on the HTTPD. So person whoever comes on the any particular port 82, 80 or 81, they will see the same thing. So let me quickly show you with the same demo practical. So we have access from the 80 port, and same person if they access from the port number 81, so same thing they will get, and if the person access from the port number 82, so they will get the same thing. And suppose if the person has written here 85, so these things get failed because port is not defined over here. Okay, they have a port 85 failed to connect. Why this is happening? Because we have not defined on the port number 85 over here. We have just defined 82, 80 and 81. Like this is a multi-port one, like multi-ports number we have defined it. Like one process can have the multiple ports. Like the HTTP server is working on this multiple ports. Okay, so if you want to command to list the port number supported by the HTTPD, so there is a command scmanage port -l. scmanage port -l. Oh, already just a minute. So you get the here to know about what all the ports number has been managed by the HTTPD server. So let me quickly scroll up, and let me show you what all the port does HTTPD server. Okay, so we have got the HTTPD ports on all this ports. The HTTPD supports, like we have 80, 81, 443, 488. So all this have been supported by the HTTPD server. Okay, so this was the thing. In this video we have talked about how you can change the port number from 80 to 81 and from different port number too, but the port should be valid and the port should not define to any of the IP. And if you can access, you can check from the netset on those port number which these things are been running. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you.